Hey, how you doing? I'm Will from Say How You Feel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a hat. So if you've never seen it, which I think you probably have, but if you haven't, guess what? You're going to see it now. Stay tuned. Hey, I'm back. So these are the things you're going to need to do a hat. You're going to need this, of course, a hat. You're going to need the design. Now I'm going to do a front piece and I'm going to do a side piece. It's been a while since I did a hat, so we'll see how it comes out. And you need some tape, heat resistant tape. I need one more thing. I'm going to see if my assistant can get it. It's a piece of paper down there. It's in a roll. Let me have it. Nope. Right there. So, to protect your head, I'm going to use this piece of paper. I can't remember what I got the paper for. I think it was actually for doing research. Okay, yeah, it's gonna work. So, stay tuned, and I'll go ahead and set everything up. Once I have everything set up, I'll turn it on to the hat press and show you how to press a hat. Okay, so first thing you want to do is I like to put mine on the flatten and make sure it's centered. Sometimes I put the design on before I put on the flatten. You know what I'm saying? And make sure everything's good. Some of them have, some hat presses have the clamp on it. And when I got this one, I wish I had got the one with the clamp on it. I just seen it and kind of got it without doing really any research. So, my advice, get the one with the clamp on it. But at the end of the day, just get one. And sometimes I'll push something in the middle to try to make it like lay a little better. And then you put this right there on the top. Make sure that I tighten that up in the back. Then I push this down. Make sure it's even. Put that there. Now I usually only leave it on there about 8 seconds or so, because it's not something you're gonna wash. You don't necessarily have to worry about it being on there like that. You just kind of want to get it on there to stick. So you can press it twice, or you can just press it there one time. It's not gonna, because you're not gonna wash it again, like I said. I'm gonna press this one more time. For like 8 more seconds. Yeah. So then, the other thing you can do is do a side hit. And as you notice, I didn't really put any tape on this one just because I don't think I'm gonna need it based off the placement of the design. Making sure that the other side of the design doesn't hit. I might leave this one on just a tad bit longer.